Next thing we're looking at is directional terminology. Now, the questions we are asking are whether the pectoralis major is anterior or posterior to the rhomboids. Now, anterior means towards the front of the body, where posterior means towards the back of the body. Pectoralis major, being the chest, is further towards the front, so is therefore more anterior than the rhomboids, which are found on the back. The next one is whether the heart is deep or superficial to the ribs. Again, deep means further in towards the middle of your body, and superficial means more towards the outside. So when we're trying to compare the heart to the ribs are more superficial, meaning that the heart is deeper. The next one is the anterior deltoid is superior or inferior to the rectus abdominis. Superior basically means above or higher, where inferior is below or lower. The anterior deltoid, being on the shoulder, is higher than the rectus abdominis found in the abdominal region. The next one is the rectus abdominis is medial or lateral to the obliques. The rectus abdominis are muscles going directly down through the middle of the abdominal region, where the obliques are found on the outsides. Medial means closer to the middle or the midline of the body. So with this question, the rectus abdominis is more medial than the obliques. The next one is that the hand is distal or proximal to the elbow. Proximal, think of it as closer proximity, or it's closer to the attachment point. So we're looking at the hand and the elbow. Hand, elbow. So the hand is a further distance away, or it is more distal to what the elbow is, because it's closer to the proximity of the shoulder. The last one is the heart is deep or superficial to the pectoralis major. As we said before, deep means further towards the inner part of the body, and superficial is more towards the outside. So the heart is going to be deeper or lying underneath the pectoralis major muscle.